Do you have a toothache, lost filling, or loose crowns? Dental emergency? Dentemp to the rescue. Dentemp is a dental cement that provides fast relief. To replace a lost filling, sanitize your hands using Stim Hand Safe. Use the applicator to remove a small amount of cement. Ta-da! Form the product into a ball with your fingers. Here we go. And press firmly into your tooth cavity. Remove any excess material and rinse your mouth out well after 30 minutes. Dentemp. Easy to use, safe and strong formula, multiple applications. Shop now at stimbrushes.com.